Alam mo, overwhelming yung feeling. Kasi, I believe next week na natin ang top Filipino performer at pagmamalaki mo talaga worldwide, di ba? World-class acting as well. And, of course, I appreciate yung kanilang husay, yung kanilang talento, yung natural skills sa pagkanta, pagsayaw. But yun is yung work ethics nila, yung talagang, ano sila gigil talaga sila to give talagang quality performance, very organized, very passionate, uusok yung kanilang passion na maiangat ang musikang Pilipino, and that's so inspiring para sa akin, and I'm sure sa lahat ng sa buong industriya ng musikang Pilipino. Nakaka-proud, nakaka-inspire. And parang for me, every collaboration is a chance to grow. Nakaka-collaborate ko sila Tito Gary, sila Mr. Reg, sila Coach Rambo. And this time, ito yung younger generation. Nakaka-overwhelm at mas na-challenge ako na parang to push myself more to grow. Kung meron pa ba akong maibibigay as an artist. So, good luck. Good luck to me. And I'm grateful for my Acer family. Hindi naman nagpapasalamat. Of course, we've done a performance before sa Acer Day din. We performed Acer Day. Acer World. Acer World, yun. Pero ito na talaga yung pinapangarap ko na makagawa kami ng malakas na original song together, and it happened. And we were given the chance to perform the song for the first time here, dito po sa Acer Day. So maraming salamat, Acer, and sobrang akong proud na maging bahagi ng brand that advocates sustainability. Maraming salamat.